This is Dr. Jonathan Harris, conducting post-mortem examinations on 4 unidentified male bodies recovered from an abandoned facility. All subjects are in late-stage decomposition, identities unknown, and exhibit extensive trauma. Autopsy commencing at 9:42 a.m. Victim number 1. Subject is a large-built male, approximately late 40s. Severe abdominal trauma. Primary injury is a large, gaping wound in the midsection. Intestines are exposed and partially decomposed. No exit wound, suggesting internal fragmentation. Secondary injuries include a gunshot wound to the right shoulder, clean entry, no exit. Fingertips are burned, and dental examination reveals synthetic dentures. Cause of death: exsanguination due to abdominal injury. Victim number 2. Subject is a slim-built male, estimated early 20s. Multiple gunshot wounds, at least 6 entry points, varying calibers. Some wounds exhibit irregular tearing, possibly from hollow point rounds. Significant tissue loss, particularly in the left thigh and torso. Like the first victim, fingerprints are burned and teeth are synthetic. Cause of death: gunshot trauma with extensive hemorrhaging. Victim number 3. Subject is medium build, estimated late 20s to early 30s. Scalp removed pre or post-mortem, unsure until further tissue analysis. 1 gunshot wound to the base of the skull, execution style. No identifying marks, fingerprints burned, synthetic dental implants. Cause of death: gunshot wound to the head. Victim number 4. Subject is slightly overweight, estimated early 40s. Extensive skin removal from the neck down to the elbows, uncertain if pre or post-mortem. Entire chest cavity exposed, rib cage visible. At least 1 gunshot wound to the abdomen. As with the others, fingerprints burned, synthetic teeth. Cause of death: likely severe trauma and blood loss from skin removal, compounded by gunshot wound. Final notes: no personal effects found. No IDs, tattoos, or serial numbers. Whoever did this wanted them erased. Samples will be sent for further analysis. Ending report at 10:27 a.m. Excuse me, sir, you can't...